Hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday. I figured I'd bring you guys along for a little Sunday reset vlog. But the reset is my mental health because today has not been the best day. But it's actually been quite far from the best day. I woke up feeling really sad, really depressed, pretty moody. I am gonna be getting my period, I think, today.
So that's impacting things.
But I also woke up, did my budget, saw that I had 2 charges on...
Actually 3 different charges.
On 3 different cards required my attention. One of them was a charge from Thrive Market. I used to love Thrive Market, and it's not that I don't love them anymore, but I haven't been using them, and so I'm trying to cancel my membership. So that was one thing. Another thing was waking up to see a $140 charge on my card from the hotel that I stayed at in San Diego for amenities. I've been on the phone with people from the hotel for an hour this morning. People hung up on me multiple times and then never called me back, although they said they would if anything got messed up. No one ever called back. It's been a morning. So that was an hour of my morning. So yeah, I'm not having the best day. Then there was another charge that literally, well, I shit you not, I went into my business checking account and saw a charge from, I'm not joking, March 27th. You can see it's March 26th. Explain to me how there is a charge for March 27th from the vitamin shop. I literally have never shopped at the vitamin shop. So I'm feeling very triggered right now with financial stuff. Just put some deodorant on because I'm
literally sweating
talking about this. I'm not in a good mood. So here's the plan. Today was all about a Sunday reset. As you can see, my Sunday get shit done list. I'm doing well on the list. I have pickled, actually Matt helped me to quick pickle some red cabbage we have. I changed the sheets. I just put the sheets in the wash, so I was just able to check that off the list. Will it focus? No.
Of course it won't focus on my phone. Why would it?
Needed to air fry some broccoli. I actually need to put that away still. I chopped ginger and garlic. I made rice in the rice cooker. I just vacuumed. So I'm doing well on my list. It's only 1:20 and I've basically gotten everything done. The only thing left on my list is to possibly go to the grocery store to get a few things for some future meals. But I don't think I'm gonna go to the grocery store anymore. I think I'm gonna punt that to do that on another day so that I can pivot this day and make myself feel better. And so I thought that would be a fun vlog to bring you guys along of like a Sunday reset where your mental health isn't good and you're just trying to pick yourself up. Okay, we're making a mess. This is just, honestly, this is the
theme of the day.
Is everything's a mess. Oh, I already have a container with broccoli. I literally didn't even need to do this. Okay, cool. Okay, so I'm gonna put the rest of this air fried, basically burnt broccoli into the container. I'm gonna clean the air fryer, then Gouda wants to go on a walk. And then I think I'm gonna take myself to a little cafe right down the street, get myself a matcha and some toast. I haven't eaten anything yet today because I have just felt so stressed. And that's not good because I know that me not having food in my stomach definitely is not helping my mental state. So, the plan for the day is pick myself up and feel better. And the ways that we're gonna do that are getting myself some food. I wanna get in a little exercise maybe a Pilates practice, or maybe I'll just walk over to that cafe. Honestly, not sure. One thing about me that I'm constantly working on, but it really is a challenge for me and it really does negatively impact my mental health, is that I can be extremely indecisive when I'm not in a good mental state. It becomes very hard for me to make decisions, to figure out what to do, where to put my time. And so I'm feeling that stress right now. And one thing that I really want to do, but I'm already second guessing, like, should I take the time to do it and everything like that, is I really want to go to Target and I want to buy some paints. and I wanna paint today. I think that would be so therapeutic, but then because of this like credit card charge that I wasn't expecting, and to the mall yesterday, if you guys watched the last vlog, and I bought myself a number of things, and so then I'm getting in my head and feeling guilty of like going and spending money at Target. And I'm like, oh, I'm gonna go out to eat and get myself food, and that's money, and then I'm gonna go spend money at Target. And so I'm just feeling, I'm all in my head. I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed, but I just really, I wanna be kind to myself. I wanna do things for myself that will feel good. So first things first, we're gonna go take Gouda for a walk. I think some fresh air will feel good, and I'm gonna, on this walk, I'm gonna figure out what the next steps are. So figured I'd bring you guys along for a very realistic, feeling a bit down and mentally frazzled day, but I am determined to do what I can to pick myself up and bring you guys along in the process.
You're feeling toasted and Larkin. How can I help you?
Hi, I was just calling because I was wondering what time you guys are open until.
We're open until 3 today.
Awesome, thanks so much.
Yes, see you soon.
Okay, bye. Okay, we're definitely gonna go to Toasted because I know that's gonna make me feel good. So Gouda walk first, then Toasted, and then maybe Target, or maybe I don't go to Target. Maybe I don't buy paints, and maybe I just use my markers and colored pencils and I just do some coloring here. I'm not sure. We're gonna see how I feel after getting some food in me. But first comes Gouda. Okay, I put on the tiniest bit of makeup, like tiny, tiny, tiny. And I'm walking in my car because I'm gonna drive over to Toasted. I was gonna walk, but it's a little chilly. I feel a little bad leaving Gouda. Matt's gone and he looked so sad when I left. He had so much fun playing with me outside in the dog park, so I wanna come back to be able to get a little more time with Gouda. So yeah, we're gonna drive to Toasted. I've got my journal with me, I've got my book. Toasted. That was so delicious, really, really good. I'm glad that I went and treated myself. I was journaling, I cried a little bit more there. So now I'm home, and first thing I'm gonna do is switch out the laundry, and I'm gonna give Gouda a special bone because seeing you happy makes me happy, right? From Mighty Paw, huh? Over there. Good boy, yes. You gonna sit? Yes. Okay. Here you go.
It was too cramped in there. It was not flowing. So I was like, yeah, we're not gonna do that. So anyway,
I am poloing with Na because that always makes me feel better. I also just washed my face. My skin was just feeling, I don't know, my skin was feeling ugh. So that helped. I've got our fresh sheets in the dryer. I think I'm gonna change and put on some workout clothes to do a very little short and sweet Pilates practice. I was just texting with Jen also to like make plans with Jen for this week so that I can see her because I know that will also make me feel good. So yeah, just doing all the little things to pick myself up. Matt should be home. We might go for like a drive later, or like maybe go to Target and get paints. But also the more I think about that, the more that I'm like, yeah, you know what, I feel like I should just use like the markers and sketchbooks and all that kind of stuff, like the art supplies that I already have, and kind of use that. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. is the plan. And little Mr. Gouda is just laying on the floor behind me. Gouda, I'm pretty sure these canvases are not for you. Aw, buddy. Matt and I just got back from doing a little Target run. Gouda is like fascinated. Gouda, it's not for you, bud. We went to Target and we got some canvases and some paints and some ice cream and coffee and just a few things for home. And we're gonna do a little bit of painting, continuing to like do the things that I think are gonna make me feel good. Look at our color lineup of our paints. Can you please get off? How pretty are colors? I'm so excited. Oh my God, I'm like actually so excited. I can't wait to see the purple that these two make. I hope the green that these make is different than this one. This one's called Juicy Kiwi. I'm obsessed with this color green. It looks so good. I'm really excited. And oh, the other exciting thing about this Target trip. They had Annie's gluten-free white cheddar mac and cheese. These are really hard to find and they are my absolute favorite. And they were on sale for only $3 a box. So that put me in a good mood too. So we're just continuing to do all the little things.
The little things is exactly what I was gonna say.
All the little things to feel better. That's all you can do.
What are you gonna say? What else can you do? Brain meld.
Also, Matt lent me this super cozy Cisco crew neck that he has, and so wearing something cozy also feels good. That's like a requirement in my mind. If you're having a bad day or are in a bad mood, you need to put on cozy clothes as soon as possible. It's just like the only way to get yourself to start feeling better faster. I just looked at the clock and saw that it is like after 5, so I'm gonna do a little dinner prep because Matt and I are gonna have a baked ziti kind of. We just call it like a pasta bake. It's just pasta with a whole bunch of different veggies with some mozzarella cheese baked in the oven. So I'm gonna preheat the oven and get everything ready for that. What are you barking at? Painting. It looks so different, I feel like, on camera than it does in person, but here's my little abstract, colorful painting. Matt is still doing his. It was just so nice. Like, I love painting. It's so soothing and relaxing. So if you are looking to do a nice little self-care activity for yourself, I highly recommend going to Target or your local paint store. Grab some canvases. We got a 5-pack of canvases for $10. We got a little easel pack for $4, and then the paints that we got were less than $2 per paint. I think they were like $1.70 or something per paint, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So that's like a $25 expense for something that, and like now Matt and I have 3 extra canvases for painting whenever we want. I think it would be fun for us, Matt, to do one together. Like we each have one more that we can do ourselves, and then we could do one together one time.
That sounds fun. I thought you were gonna say, and I think we could make this a weekly activity.
Yes, oh my God, it's just so soothing and like therapeutic.
Really,
I feel like there are very few activities that when I do, I just feel like I lose track of time, could totally get lost in them. and time just escapes me while I'm doing that thing until I'm done. And one of those things is editing videos. I love editing, which is why I've been getting back into vlogging, because the editing is just so much fun for me. And painting is one of those things too. So that was just so much fun. I love this little guy. He's so fun and colorful. My little paint drips, my squiggly little guy. Yeah. So fun. I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you guys enjoyed this little self-care Sunday vlog, hit the thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell so you don't miss out on future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.